What's up guys, Trey here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out the RedRock cab cover designed to fit the 2007 and newer Jeep Wrangler JK and JL's 4-door models. This is going to be an excellent option for Jeep owners who want to protect their vehicle's interior from the elements when the top is off, or protect the exterior and paint during storage. This cab cover is a convenient and effective solution to shield your Jeep's cabin from harsh weather conditions, dirt, and debris. It's a clean silver gray color and is designed to cover the windshield, doors, and roll cage area, offering full coverage without the need for a hard or soft top. This cover is lightweight, folds up very compactly, fits right into this carrying bag, making it easy to store when it's not in use. It also features weather-resistant material to help keep your interior dry during unexpected rain or snow. The snug fit on your Jeep is going to make sure the cover stays secure even in those windy conditions, thanks to these nice elastic hems and strategically placed straps. Another nice feature is going to be that it's machine washable, so you can make sure it's nice and clean and not going to scratch up your paint or get some dirt inside your cab if it gets some stuff on it. This cab cover is crafted from durable, high-quality synthetic fabric, designed to withstand UV rays, rain, and some light snow. The material is treated to resist fading and tearing, ensuring long-lasting performance. The precise fit contours exactly to your Jeep's body lines, providing optimal coverage and protection. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, the cab cover comes in right around the mid $100 price range, so it offers an affordable and practical solution for Jeep owners looking to protect their interior and their exterior paint. Installation is going to be very straightforward and requires no tools at all. Simply drape the cover over your cab, secure it with the built-in straps like we already talked about, and you're good to go. This process is rated as very simple, 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you should have it on in 15 minutes or less. Now, let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
I have a 2013 JK Jeep Wrangler. We're going to install the RedRock cab over, and we'll go from there.
Okay, after unrolling it, what we're going to do, we're going to roll it on to the top, from the back to the front. Now we're going to go this side. To the other side. I'm going to keep pushing forward. Put it on your mirror just like that. And that's your right side. Now we're going to go push this down to back now. Then you connect your clips to the bottom. Push it down. There we go. Same thing to the other side. Flip it. Then we'll go back over here. Make sure everything's tight.
Well, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the RedRock cab cover designed for the 2007 and newer Jeep Wrangler JK and JL 4-door models. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.